In this video, I will show you how to swap nozzles without removing hot end assembly. In settings, go to filament and choose unload filament. While nozzle is heating up, I remove PTFE tube and cut the filament. You're gonna have to wait a few moments before it fully releases it, before you can yank it out. Successfully removed filament will look a bit like bean sprout. Then go into control and move your Z-axis all the way up. Then position extruder in the middle along the X-axis and cover hot bed with a towel for protection. Open cooling fan doors and release these two bolts. You don't need to unscrew them completely, just release them so that the nozzle can move up and down and turn left and right. For the next step, just please be careful and don't rush things up. You will need two tools. One tool will be used to hold the heater block and the other tool will be used to unscrew and screw the nozzle. If you want, you can use original Prusa's provided wrenches. It will do the job just fine, but just for a little bit more torque accuracy, here I'm using adjustable spanner and torque screwdriver. You need these tools just in the beginning, so just release the nozzle and finish the job by holding the heater block between your fingers and unscrew the nozzle. Then put a new nozzle back into the extruder and tighten it up with your fingers as much as you can. And that's when it's really good idea to have torque screwdriver, but if not, just tighten the nozzle pretty tightly. Just don't go like extra crazy strong tight, but quite tight. Then position hot end assembly in the middle, and while holding it with your hand, just tighten those two bolts that we loosened up before. Then drop the extruder down along the Z-axis a little bit and load in the PTFE tube back in. Navigate to filament, choose load filament, wait for the extruder to heat up. And if we did the job well, it will purge filament through. Make sure to change the nozzle size in the settings if your new nozzle is different size than the old one. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, just be yourself and have a good day.